Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2, Mulberry, topic Saving the Limmy, part 2, lesson number 11. I, Ritu Vishramola, your English teacher, hope you all are good and safe at your home. Children, as we read the story of Saving the Limmy, so today we will do question answer based on the story. So let's do the question answer. So children, before starting the question answer based on this story, so have a look on the short summary. Children, Kanchi, a young girl from Nepal, she went to the forest with her grandmother and her brother Daju in search of the limmy plant. Children, limmy is a special plant that has white flowers and shiny green leaves. Limmy is good for colds and coughs and aching bones, but because people do not always look after plants and trees, there are fewer and fewer of them left. Kanchi, grandmother and Daju did not know whether there were any limmy plant left in the forest. So after crossing the river, they walked to the forest, but in the starting they did not find the limmy there. But when they reached in the stony place where lot of stones were there on the ground, Kanchi saw the limmy plant and they realized plant is very precious, so we should look after the plants. We should save our environment. We should plant more and more trees. So children, let's do the word meaning. Number one word is fairing. Fairing means crossing. In the story, crossing a river in a boat. Fairing means crossing a river in a boat. Our next word is sal. Sal is used for North Indian tree. So sal is North Indian tree. Next word is thicket. Thicket is a group of many trees. Thicket means a group of many trees. Let's do the fourth. Waterfall. Waterfall is a place where water falls from high place to a low place. When water falls from high place to a low place, that is called waterfall. Now next is the rushed over. Rushed over means float quickly. Rushed over is float quickly. Next is the word moss. Moss means it's a soft green plant that grows like a carpet. Soft green plants that grow like a carpet. Next word is herbs. Herbs are plants that people use to make food taste good or in medicine. Children, we use herbs to make food taste good, or we use the herbs in the medicine. Let's do the next, stony. The word stony means covered with a lot of stones. Let's do the next, steep path. Steep path means a road that slopes up. If the slope is up, that is called the steep path. Next is the word oak. Oak is a kind of large tree. a kind of large tree called oak. Children, our next word is leapt. Leapt means made a big jump. If the jump is big, that is called leapt. Next word is tangle. Tangle means a jumble of things. A jumble of things is called tangle. Our next word is vine. Vines means here plants with very thin stems. The plants, those who have the thin stems, they need the support, that is called the vines. Like the grapes vine. Come to the next word, a mass of. A mass of means a large quantity of something. The thing in the large quantity, we say a mass of. Come to the number 15. The word 15 number is precious. Precious means very useful, valuable. That is called precious. Our next word is the flowering. Flowering means the time when plants have lot of flowers. That is called flowering. Next word is white steeps. White steeps means large circles. Next word is, in the story, spray of red flowers. So spray of red flowers means a small branch with red flowers. Children, let's start with the making connections. Our first question is, put a tick right against the sentences that are true and put a cross wrong against those that are false. So A sentence is, Daju and grandmother took care of plants and trees. So they took care of plants and trees. Is it true or false? So yes, your answer must be true. So put tick. Put the sign right. Daju and grandmother took care of plants and trees. Come to the number B part. It is easy to find a limy plant. Children, is it easy? In the story, they went to the forest. They searched everywhere, but they did not find the limy in the starting. When they reached at the highest place in the stony path, they found limy there. So it is easy to find a limy plant. No. So put cross. Come to the C part. Grandmother carried an umbrella to the forest. Grandmother carried an umbrella to the forest? Yes. So put tick. Let's do the D part. Kanchi saw a squirrel in the forest. So children, Kanchi saw a squirrel in the forest. Yes. This is correct. So put tick. Kanchi enjoyed her trip to the forest. Yes. Kanchi enjoyed her trip to the forest. Let's do the second question. Choose the correct answer. Children, here is given some options. Find out the correct answer. A question is, Kanchi, Daju and grandmother went to the forest. So, they went to the forest for a picnic by the waterfall, or to look for the limy plant, or to look for oak trees. So children, Kanchi, Daju and grandmother went to the forest to look for the limy plant. B question is, when Kanchi found the limy, she called grandmother and Daju, or picked a bunch to take back for her mother, or did not realize what it was. So children, when Kanchi found the limy, she called grandmother and Daju. Let's do the C part. When Daju saw the Limi, he called grandmother and Kanchi or drew its pictures in his notebook and noticed where it grew, or immediately called some seeds for planting. So children, when Daju saw the Limi, he drew its pictures in his notebook and noticed where it grew. Children, let's do the reference to context. Here is given one line. Try to give the answer according to the line. We must not disturb it. Here it is used for plants. For every plant is precious. So precious means very useful, very valuable. Here is the question, who said the above line? So children, Daju said the above line. Let's do the B question. What would happen if they disturb the plant? So children, if they would have disturbed the plant, it could die. So children, we should not disturb the plant. So if they would have disturbed the plant, it could die. Let's do the C part. What does the word precious mean? So children, the word precious means that something is very useful. Children, let's do the read, reflect and write. The question is, which character is the star of this story? In the Kanchi story, which character is the star of the story and who are the other characters in the story? So children, Kanchi is the star of the story and the other characters are grandmother and Daju. Let's do the question number 5. Why did Kanchi find the forest beautiful and interesting? Children, Kanchi found the forest beautiful and interesting because the forest world was dense and full of life. Here, dense means wide and full of life means there is lot of animals, trees, many trees were there. So, Kanchi found the forest beautiful and interesting because the forest world was dense and full of life. Come to the question number 6. Why was the Limi special? Children, why was the Limi special? So, the Limi plant is special because of its medicinal properties. So children, Limi is used for preventing cold and cough and itching bones. So, Limi plant is special because of its medicinal properties. Children, question number 7. Why is it important to save plants and trees? What can we do to save trees from dying out? So children, why we need to save plants and trees? It is important to save plants and trees because they give us oxygen that we breathe beside foods and medicines. So plants give us so many things like oxygen, food, medicine. So it is important to save plants and trees. And children, we can save trees by discouraging people from cutting them down and planting more new saplings. So, we can save trees by discouraging people from cutting them down and we can plant more and more trees. So, planting new saplings. So, let's integrate. Question number 8. The Limi plant is good for cold, cough and itching bones. Find out about the other plants that we use to help us when we are unwell. So children, we can drink the juice of tulsi leaves, mix with honey and black pepper to cure cold and cough. To prevent the cold and cough, we can use tulsi leaf. And if we cut ourselves while playing, we can apply a paste of marigold leaves to heal the wound. So these plants we can use when we are unwell. Children, I hope these questions now clear to you. Write the word meaning and do these questions in your English 2 Mulberry notebook. We'll do the exercise work in our next video class. Till then, bye-bye.